Hey everybody, HVAC repair guy here. I've spent over 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor, building on my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're putting two premium heat pump systems side by side. The Arcoaire Ion 18, model H5H8T, and the Mainline MLP15AY Elite Series. Looking at cabinet construction and build quality, both units come with compressor sound blankets to keep noise down and protect the heart of the system. However, neither unit features a louvered coil guard according to the spec data, meaning both rely on open wire grill protection for the outdoor coils. When it comes to heating performance, we look at the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF. The Arcoaire Ion 18 comes in with an HSPF of 8.5, while the Mainline MLP15AY comes in at 8.1. That higher HSPF on the Arcoaire means it extracts more heat per kilowatt hour of electricity during winter operation, giving you slightly better cold climate efficiency and lower monthly heating bills. Both systems also handle standard summer cooling duty effectively as complete heat pump packages. Looking at compressor and fan technology, both systems utilize two-speed compressors, which drop down to a lower stage during mild weather for extended run times, better humidity control, and reduced mechanical stress. Where they differ is the outdoor condenser fan. The Arcoaire Ion 18 pairs that two-speed compressor with a variable speed condenser fan motor, whereas the Mainline MLP15AY uses a two-speed condenser fan motor. Having a variable speed fan allows the Arcoaire to adjust outdoor airflow more precisely to match operating conditions, boosting overall efficiency and comfort. The Arcoaire Ion 18 operates as low as 67 decibels, which is roughly equivalent to the volume of a normal conversation in a living room. Looking at manufacturing backgrounds, Arcoaire is manufactured in the USA under the International Comfort Products and Carrier family. Mainline is a private label brand, and this specific MLP15AY model is manufactured in Mexico. In terms of real-world installed pricing, a standard residential replacement for the Arcoaire Ion 18 typically ranges between $7,500 and $9,500 depending on your local market and ductwork requirements. The Mainline MLP15AY generally comes in slightly lower, usually between $6,000 and $8,000 installed. Checking the warranty coverage, both brands back their equipment with a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. The key difference lies in unit replacement coverage. Arcoaire includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails, while Mainline provides a 3-year unit replacement warranty. My honest recommendation goes to the Arcoaire Ion 18. Its higher 8.5 HSPF rating, variable speed outdoor fan motor, U.S. manufacturing, and full 10-year unit replacement warranty make it a better long-term value for comfort and peace of mind despite the higher initial installation cost.